Hey guys, it's weather time. Thunderstorms are continuing across much of the plains with heavy rain and severe weather concerns for the next few days. High pressure is going to keep a lot of the eastern half of the country dry, however, through Thursday, except for you, Florida, you are moist. Them balls is sweaty. Also moist are the waters off the west coast, and that's probably going to come inland a bit. We'll keep an eye on it for you. And overall, unseasonably warm weather spreads from the southwest to the upper Midwest and into the mid-Atlantic and northeast by the end of the week. Temperatures, 69, nice for Washington and Oregon, lots of 70s, a few pockets of 80s here and there. 93, 74 for NorCal, 95, 71 for SoCal. Mountain states seeing lots of 70s up top, turning into 80s for the southwest, especially hot by the conflagration of Arizona, Utah, Nevada, and California at 103, 101 down by the border, maybe hotter in some parts. Lazy Poos, we've got 75 up in North Dakota, quickly turning into 80s by the time you hit South Dakota, and that stays all the way down into Texas, turns into 90 at the tip of Texas. Midwesty Poos, you're seeing 80s from the lakes all the way to the Gulf, about 82, 83, 84, somewhere in there. And East Coast, you're in that same position with 80 even up at the tip of Maine and all the way down to the tip of the Peanuts at 84. McMurdo Station on the Ross Sea in Antarctica, sitting at -9 degrees Fahrenheit with winds from the east at 4 miles per hour, giving you a real feel of -8 degrees. Puerto Rico with increased moisture today, showers across the U.S. Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico during the morning hours, shifting into the western part of Puerto Rico this afternoon. Rip current risk is moderate, so stay away from the more hazardous beaches and swim with lifeguards in place. Please be careful. Daytime high temperatures, 87, 90 on the north coast, 84 in the east, 88 in the south, 90 for the west, 79 for the interior, 88 to 90 for the U.S. Virgin Islands, St. Croix and surrounding waters at 83. Alaska looking fairly dry and good for the forecast period, with temperatures to back that up. 32, 36, 40 for the Arctic Circle, turning into 50s, 60s, 70s even possible for the interior, especially near the Canadian border with those warmer temperatures. Cooler on the coastlines as per normal. 52, 54 for the Aleutians, 59 to 68 near Anchorage, and 79 for the Panhandlers. Ooh, very hot for Alaska. Hawaii, dealing with some windy conditions. We've got high surf advisories, small craft advisories, and marine weather statements in effect. If you're in the marine weather statement area, you should stay wary of any harbor traffic with boats and with surfers pursuing those waves. Be aware for them as well. Daytime high temperatures in the high 70s to the mid 80s for most areas. Some even hotter pockets around the coastlines, especially of the Big Island, with high 80s there. Okay, go do crime. Felonies, please. Daily felonies. Or else I'll do a felony on you. Okay, bye. What do you mean I'm not allowed to do felonies? This is America.